Write it neatly, children. Don't write with a dirty handwriting. Be careful and write neatly, all of you. Touching the two lines, keeping proper finger gaps. Write neatly, all of you. Yes, children, do you complete it? Shall I erase the board and go for the sixth question answer? Yes. Still anyone writing? No, all completed copy. Then shall I start the sixth one? Shall I start? Yes. Still writing? Okay. I will move to the sixth question answer. After the fifth one, leave one line and start the sixth question answer. The sixth one, which sentence WHICH, which sentence SENTENCE, which sentence, finger gap, in THE, the which sentence in the story STORY, which sentence in the story, finger gap, tells TELLS, tells, finger gap, that THAT, that, finger gap, the THE, the scarf, SCARF, scarf is happy, Happy, happy to be, be with WITH, with Manu, MANU, Manu. Again, AGAIN, question mark. Which sentence in the story tells that the scarf is happy to be with Manu? Again, answer the THE, the sentence, SENTENCE, the sentence, start apostrophe, so, S-O, so, am I, close the commas, inverted commas, so am I, finger gap, tells the THE, the red, RED, red scarf, 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 is happy, HAPPY, happy. Repeat the answer, all of you. The sentence, so am I, tells the red scarf is happy. Copy it, all of you. Just mute చేయరా ఆన్ చేయడం. Yes, children, completed. Board is not clear. Up to now, it's okay, Nama. Yes, children, completed. Okay, now, those who want, be ready to take the screenshot. Maths పెట్టే చెల్లారు ఎవరు ఫైట్ పెట్టారమ్మా రాలే సార్ ఇక్కడే ఉన్నారా నోట్స్ రాలే అమ్మా ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ children, from the first question answer, those who want take the screenshot fast. Make it fast. So many are asking to show 1 to 4 question answers. The full 1 to 6 question answers I am showing for you. Please take the screenshot, all of you. As this lesson question answers are completed. Okay. Lesson 2. Who is it asking lesson 2 now? Huh? That means up to now you didn't write anything. Now asking to show second lesson question answers. Now we are in lesson 4. The first take this one screenshot lesson 4. Minus scarf. Yes. Next page. Next page. Next 4, 5. Next 6th question answer. Completed. Three, 4 lessons you want. Third lesson is the poem only in the textbook it is there. Now I am showing the 4th lesson. Yes, this is the second lesson, the grasshopper and the ant. Someone asked, please take the screenshot fast. Math miss is waiting. Make it fast. Next page, 2, 3 question and answers. Please make it fast. Next 4, 5. Completely. 4, 5. Okay. Next 6th question answer. Is completed. This is 6th one. Is I'm closing it. Leave it how many times? So once a small correction, listen children, all of you. A small correction in 4th lesson. One time you see the 3rd question answer. 3rd question answer, small correction is there. 3rd question and answer. The answer. First line. By mistake, I gave you the word blue. Okay. Erase that. Okay. Just only erase the E and write O there. This one. Yes, sir. The word E I gave there. Erase that one and write O. That's all. Okay, children. Thank you.
Good afternoon, students. Ready for math class? Are you ready, ma? Okay. We have been learning division chapter now. Okay. In the textbook, page number 88. Do you have textbook with you? Open textbook, page number 88. Textbook, page number 88. What do you have in that page? Division as inverse of multiplication. Inverse of multiplication. Now we learned that yesterday, Saturday, division as repeated subtraction we have learned. Okay, this is the second one. And the first one we learned, division is equal sharing. I said we have three definitions for division. This is the first one, equal sharing or distribution. This is the first definition for division. The second definition is division is repeated subtraction. What is the symbol for subtraction? Minus. So repeated subtraction. Now this is the third one. We are learning the third definition for division. Okay. Division as inverse of inverse. Inverse. I-N-V-E-R-S-E. Inverse of multiplication. Okay. Inverse of multiplication. Now we are going to learn the third definition for division. Okay. Division is inverse of, there is a relation between into and divided by. Okay. What kind of relation is that? Inverse. Inverse. Inverse means reverse. Reverse. Okay. Division is a reverse of multiplication. Okay. Let us see. I said now multiplication and division have relation. Those two have relation. Okay. So I said, that's what I said in the beginning. Learn tables. If you know tables, tables means multiplication only, multiplication tables. If you know tables, you can do divisions easily. Okay, tables must and should. You have to learn multiplication tables. Then you can do the divisions easily. Okay, ma? Okay, let us say, now I am telling this division is reverse of multiplication. Okay, let us take one multiplication form. Any multiplication form. For example, I am taking two tables. 2 8s are 16. Don't write, Nana. For a few minutes I explain and then I will make you do the exercise. The given exercise I will make you do. I will make you do this. Okay? Just listen for few minutes. What symbol is this? Into symbol, no? Multiplication, no? So this is multiplication form. Okay? Now we are going to change this into division form. What is the symbol for division? Divided by. Now this into, now we are going to change this into divided by. We are changing it into divided by. Okay. So for example, let us take 2 8s are 16. This is which form? Multiplication form. Multiplication form. For this multiplication form, there will be 2 division forms. 1 and 2. 2 division forms we will have. Okay. Let us change that. For example, 2 8s are 16. Here this is the answer. That answer is called product. In multiplication, the answer is called product. Okay. What are these two numbers called? Factors. These two are called factors. Did you learn this in multiplication chapter? When you multiply two numbers, okay, we will get the answer. These two numbers are called factors. And the answer is called product. know this multiplication. Okay. Now we are going to change this into two division facts. There will be two division facts. For one multiplication form, there will be two division forms. Okay, let us see. For that, we are going to use these three numbers. 1, 2, 3. Three numbers we are going to use. Out of these three, two are factors, and this is the product. We are going to use the same here, same number. Okay, let us write. When you are converting multiplication fact into two division facts, okay, we should write here one number will be there, here also one number, and the answer. Answer, we write answer after the equal to after we write answer. Okay, so now we are going to change these multiplication facts into division form. For that, here three boxes are there. For three boxes, we are using these three numbers only. Okay. First, which number you are going to write here? You know, the answer is there, no, in the multiplication into form. We have 16. 16 is the answer, product. Now, when we are converting into division form, we are writing this as first number. I said no, for one multiplication form, there will be two division forms. Two division forms will be there. Okay, for that, for the two division forms, I am writing 16 as the first number. Got it? Here 16 is lost. I am bringing it to the first place. 16 comes here. Have you noticed that? 16. In the multiplication form, 16 answer. The 16 I am bringing down in division fact. Understood? Next, what do we do next? Okay, 16 is over. It is converted. It is changed. It changes the place. Okay. Next, these two left. 2, 8. These two are called factors. So, 2, 8. As it is, right. 2, 8. Understood this, Nana? Just the reverse. I am writing in reverse. 2, 8 are 16. So, what is the reverse? Here, we have to come like this for reverse. That's why 16 I am writing. 16. It is coming back to the first place. Then, what do we have? 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Here multiplication form, we are changing into division form. So divided by. Symbol should be changed. Symbol should be changed into symbol to a division symbol. Okay? And this is the answer. Equal to. Understood that? Just a reverse. 16 coming to front as first number. Answer coming to the first number. Changes places. It comes to first number. 16 is coming here. Just a reverse. 2, 8 are going here. Okay? That is one form. How will you write the second one? How will you write? I said that for each multiplication, one multiplication, there will be two divisions. Two divisions. One is okay. What about the next one? Just a reverse. We know that. Do you know order property? Do you know order property? Order property means 2 8s are. Change the order. 8 2s are. 2 8s are. 8 2s are. Just changing. I am changing these two places. 8 comes here. 2 goes there. So easy, no? Can I say one more example? Let us do 2 examples. After that, I'll make you do the exercise. Understood? Okay. Listen. One more example I'll teach. Tell me, take any. For example, 20 divided by 4. Okay, let us take multiplication form. 4 6 are 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. And this is the answer. Change this multiplication into two division forms. For one multiplication form, there will be two division forms. Okay. For that, what is the division as inverse of multiplication? Inverse, just a reverse. Okay. Here, 4 6 are 24. This is the answer. When we are changing it into division form, this 24 should be written in the starting. Okay, 24 here last. When we are changing, it comes front as the first number. For two division facts, 24 will be the first number. The answer in multiplication will be the first number. Understood? Now, this into symbol changes as divided by symbol. Understood? For one multiplication form, there will be two division forms. Got it? For 2, we are writing 2. For this, division as inverse of multiplication. Inverse means reverse. In multiplication, 24, see, this is the end, no? End means what? Answer. This answer comes as first number in the division form. Okay, 24 brings and write as first number. Then into symbol changes as divided by symbol. Why is it changed as division divided by? Divided by, we are changing multiplication into division form. That's why 2 division is divided by. Next, what do you do? 4, then equal to, understand, 6 comes here. 4 and 6. Okay. Now let us write the next one. This 4 and 6. They change places. 6 comes here, 4 goes there. Okay, understood? These are the two division forms. Here, 4 6 are 24. We know that. Just these two are factors I said, no? Read. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Next. 6 4 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Just change the places. Reverse. 6 4 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 6 4 are 24. Correct only, no? I said that 2 days back. Mouth application, reading table. You know, if you read 4 tables, 24 divided by 6, we don't know the answer. Let us read 6 table. This for second number you need to read the table. 6 tables. Is it visible? 6 tables till you get 24. Say 6 tables. 6 ones are 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. Fours are. Let me write. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. So 4 is the answer. The same we wrote here, no ma? 6 fours are 24. 4 6 are also 24. Understood? Okay, I will give you one sum. Will you type the answer for that? Three 5s are 15. Write the two division facts. Type two division facts. Ma'am, last class, can you explain once? Okay, last class. Friday. Okay, Pushkal fine. Tomorrow I will explain that. Okay, ma? Okay, let us do. How will you write? Answer comes first. 15. Here also 15. Into changes as divided by. Into changes as divided by. Then 3. And here 5. Again 5 comes here. 3 goes there. Okay. Now let us take. 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are also 15. Understood this? Understood? Okay. Now let us do Dana exercise 3. Let us do exercise 3. Exercise 3. Okay. See the first one. 3 4s are 12. Which form is this? Which form is this? See, multiplication symbol is there. So it is multiplication form. We have to change this into two division facts. Two division facts. Okay, for that I'm drawing 3 boxes. Already you have boxes. Okay, for this multiplication form, you have to write two division forms. See the symbols, divided by symbol. So let us change. Okay, what did I say? Here, what is the answer? 12 is the answer. 3 4s are 12. 12 is the answer. So let us write 12 as first number. 12. And here also 12. For two division facts, 12 be the first number. 12 be the first number. So write 12. Okay, this answer comes first when we are changing into division form. Understood? Have you written that? Oh, very good. 12 for two division facts. Next, this answer is over. We have written. Now 3 4 left. 3 4 left. Let us write 3 and 4. 3 4. This answer already I have written as first number in both division form. After writing this, I'm closing this one. Now 3 4 left. So let us write 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Have you written? Okay, 3 4. 3 4. Let us read 3 tables. Read 3 tables. Read 3 tables till you get 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 4s are 12. So 4s are 3 4s are 12. You can also say 3 4s are 12. 3, 4 are 12. Okay. Now 3, 4. Change the places. 4, 3. 4, 3. 3, 4. Change the places. 4, 3. Understood? Okay, ma. Have you written this? 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 3, 4. Changing places. 4, 3. 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. It is already written. So let us do the second sum. 8, 6 are 48. 8, 6 are 48. In this, what is the answer? These were factors. 48 is the answer. So let us write 48 for 2 division facts. Let the 48 be the first number in both the cases. Have you written? 48. The answer be the first number for 2 division forms. Next. Divided by symbol already there. You need not write. So easy. Have you written this 48 be for the first number for 2 division forms? 48, 48. Then you have written 48 just to close. What are the 2 numbers left? 8, 6. So let us write 8, 6. 8, 6. Have you written? Oh, full completed. Good. Bala Anthony Reddy. Good. Okay, ma. Here you have written 8, 6. 8, 6. Okay? 8, 6. Just change the places. 6, 8. 8, 6. 6, 8. 6, 8. If you read 8 table, 8, 6 are 48. 8, 6 are 48. Here if you read 6 table, 6, 8 are also 48. 6, 8 are 48. Please check the answers. Check these answers. Are you writing correctly? Okay. Let us do third sum. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Okay. Your 15 is the answer. Okay. Your last number. 15 is the last number and this is the answer. When you are changing this into 2 division forms, let 15 be the first number in both the cases. 15 be the first number. Right. Both the cases. Have you written? Now divided by symbol already there. And you need to fill these 2 boxes. Which 2 numbers are you going to use? 15 already over. 15 over we have written. Now what are the 2 numbers left? 5, 3. 5, 3. So let us write 5, 3. 5, 3. Same as it is. In order, same order. 5, 3. Have you written? Now, when you are writing for the second form, just to change. 5, 3, 3, 5. Just reverse. 5, 3, 3, 5. 3, 5. 5, 3, 3, 5. Okay, are you following? Good, ma. Third and fourth also good. If you read 5 table, 5 3s are 15. If you read 3 table, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Okay, got it? Now let us do. Are you all following? Okay. Next sum. Will you do these two as homework? 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 10, 8 or 80. Will you do? Do these two as homework. So write here homework. Fourth sum and fifth sum homework. Do these two, Nana. Homework. Write here homework. Do these two sums. Tomorrow I'll make you check. Okay? Okay, Guhan, you have completed 3, 4. Very good. 4, 5. Do as homework. Tomorrow I'll make you check. Okay, ma, it's already over. Hindi Miss is waiting.